hello, namaste. Welcome back to my channel. I hope all you guys are doing good. Sunday is a fun day to all of us, and my video is here to make it more fun for you. So let's get started. Today in this video I am very excited to share with you my top 10 products from Amazon which are very useful in my day-to-day life. I am using these products from a very long time and I think these will be useful for you guys too. So watch till the end to know all of these products. The first product I have here is a magnetic whiteboard sheet. This you can stick it on a fridge or on any iron surface. This also comes with 4 magnetic pens as well as magnetic eraser. This helps you keep track of your to-do list, grocery items and whatever you want. I absolutely love this product because I always tend to forget grocery items whenever we go to shopping. This helps me keep organized all the time. Who do not want to hang their best memories around the house? Everyone loves to have photo frames hanging on their walls. So my next product is a set of 6 individual photo frames in black color. This also comes in different colors and different sizes. You can pick from them. As you can see, the quality of this photo frame is very good. This is very lightweight and the installation is also pretty simple. This also comes with a small nails kind of thing which are used to hang the photo frame on the wall, and also a lever to adjust the level of the photo frame. So the next product I have here is a set of white curtains. Curtains are such things which are used in almost all of our homes. The choice of curtains differ from person to person. But I personally like the white curtains because they will give more classy look to our home, and also they won't block the ventilation into our home, which is very important. So moving on to the next item, here I have set of 6 packing cubes along with shoe bags. Whenever you are going for a travel, these packing bags are absolutely useful. You can place different items in different bags so that you will be organized all the time. Like in the smallest bag, you can place your toiletries or your medicines, and in the next sized bag, you can place your makeup items or trimmer set or electronics, etc. And in the 3 different sized cubes, you can place different items such as your undergarments in one cube, your nightwear in another cube, or your t-shirts in another cube. And lastly, you can place your shoes in the shoe bags so that it will not be mixed up with your clothes and make it a mess. So the next item I have here is a set of 5 hanging pots. The quality of this pot is very good. You can hang them to the railing in your balcony. These come in 5 different vibrant colors which will add more colorful look to your balcony. So the next item I have here is a foldable laptop table. This is a multi-purpose table. You can use it as a laptop table for working and also as a breakfast and bed table. I also use this table for cutting veggies, for eating and doing some paintings. This is a foldable table which is an added advantage so that you can fold the table whenever you are not using so that it won't consume any space. If you hate chopping onions just like me, so this product is definitely for you. I always used to ask my husband to chop onions for me. So he gifted me this onion cutter one day so that I will not bother him anymore. As you can see, the usage of this onion cutter is very easy. First peel off the onion and cut it into 4 pieces and add it to the cutter. Pull the knob until you get the desired shape and size. This onion cutter will give good onions for pani puri and chaat items, etc. I absolutely love this product, and chopping onions was very easy with this product. So the next item I have here is measuring cups. These measuring cups are very useful whenever you are doing baking items such as cakes, cupcakes, etc. These measuring cups come in 8 different measurements such as 1 cup, 1/4 cup, 2/3 cup, half cup, 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon. So the next item I have here is a set of 18 kitchen storage containers. The advantage of these containers is that they come in different sizes such as 1200 ml, 650 ml and 300 ml. These containers are so airtight and they are transparent see-through containers. The quality of these containers is very good and they are very helpful for storing items in the kitchen. So the last product I have here is a knife. You might be wondering what is so special in a knife. I have used a lot of knives till now, but all of them became like a butter knives after using for some days. But this knife is still sharp and the durability of this knife is also good. This knife comes in different sizes also. The links for all the products are given below in the description box. Do check them out. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and in the comment section below mention what is your favorite product from Amazon if I have missed anything. Please share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.